In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an updating date and time in Microsoft Word on both PC and Mac. This is a very useful feature if you're creating reports, letters, assignments, or meeting notes that need to always display the current date or time automatically. Instead of typing the date manually and changing it every time, Word can handle that for you. Let's start on a Windows PC. Open your document in Microsoft Word and click exactly where you want the date and time to appear. This could be at the top of the page, inside the document, or even in the header or footer if you want it to show on every page. Next, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. Look for the option labeled Date and Time and click on it. A dialog box will open showing a list of different date and time formats. You can choose a format that displays only the date, only the time, or both together. Select the one that fits your needs. Now here's the most important part. Before clicking OK, make sure you check the box that says Update Automatically. This tells Word to insert the date and time as a dynamic field instead of plain text. When this option is enabled, the date and time will refresh automatically whenever you reopen the document or print it. Once you've selected your format and checked the box, click OK. If you ever notice that the date hasn't refreshed immediately, you can right-click on it and choose Update Field, or press the F9 key on your keyboard to refresh it manually. Now let's look at how to do the same thing on a Mac. Open your Word document and place your cursor where you want the date and time to appear. At the top of your screen, click on Insert in the menu bar, then choose Date and Time. A similar selection window will appear. Pick the style you prefer and, just like on Windows, make sure the Update Automatically option is checked before clicking OK. If you want the updating date and time to appear on every single page, double-click at the top or bottom of the page to open the header or footer area. Then, insert the date and time there using the same steps. And that's it. With this simple setting, Microsoft Word will automatically keep your document current without any extra effort from you. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.